For a long time, coffee that was destined to become cold brew was cupped hot, which is great for grading specialty coffee. But if you want to see how a coffee will perform when brewed cold, it makes sense to cup it cold. Unfortunately, cupping cold brew used to be somewhat inconvenient, so most people never bothered to do it at all. Pint glasses don't pour accurately, grounds don't sink, and overbloom makes a mess. At Toddy, we set out to change that, creating a cold brew cupping solution with 3 immersion brewers, as well as a cold brew cupping form and experiment guide. Multiple brewers simplify comparative sensory analysis, so you can minimize waste while dialing in your cold brew recipe. And because you're using precise, lab-grade measurement tools, you can easily scale up your results for commercial use. The cupping kit is the ideal tool for finding the optimal steep time, experimenting with other brewing parameters, dialing in roast profiles, and creating craft beverage recipes. To better understand how the cupping solution helps coffee professionals learn more about the coffees they have available, we created a cold brew experiment guide. Here's one such example of how you can use that. At Toddy, we're often asked to recommend an ideal grind size, but of course, that varies according to personal preference. To determine what grind size to use with your coffee, prepare 3 brewers, or more if you want to test more than 3 grind sizes. Hold all other brewing variables constant. Same water, same steep time, same ratio, etc. The only difference among the brewers should be the grind size. At the end of your brew, cup each and record your findings. Because grind size was the only varied brewing parameter, you can feel confident that any differences in taste are due to that. Investing the time to really learn about how each cold brew performs will yield great dividends down the road, taking the guesswork out of beverage development, cold brew program designs, menu innovations, and so much more. To learn more, visit coldbrewcupping.com.